What can you do at school? Let's read. You can at school. The special word in this story is the word you. Say it. You can write. You can write. You can draw. You can draw. You can read. You can read. You can play. You can play. You cannot push. You cannot push. You cannot climb. You cannot climb. You have fun at school. You have fun at school. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Now let's review as we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. Remember the word you. Read this. It says you can draw. Read this. What does it say? It says you can read. Read. Can you climb on furniture at school? It says you cannot climb. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story. You. Let's play a game. I will show some words, and you have to find the word you. Like this. Find the word you. You. One more time. Find you. You. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.